Lizard in a blizzard. Lizard is reading his book in the sun. He looked up and grinned at his friends. This book fun. It's all about snow. But what snow? Do you know? Snow make us snow. In snow we don't go. I want to see snow, Lizard says with a sigh. I want to make snowflakes float down from the sky. But lizards are wizards. Well, I'm going to try. He isn't a wizard, but Lizard is clever. He loves to put all sorts of odd stuff together. The next day, he shows them his make-snow invention. He flicks up a switch, and his friend makes attention. Suddenly, as first, fat white flakes flutter down. How pretty, said Gecko, but she soon started to frown. It's too cold. It's freezing. Please make it stop now. Lizard is shivering. I don't know how. The flakes whirl down faster. The world is a blur. Reach out for each other. I wish I had fur. The machine freezing up all at once at the storm end. Hot sun warms them all, melting snow from the friends. From 6 sunny days, Lizard manned his machine. It's make a field changed. It's now make ice cream. What a dream! Fruit ice cream. Yum, yum, cried Iguana. Your ice cream is scrumptious. Chocolate chip and bananas. We found this for you. Thank you, Gecko, said Lizard. He take it and shake it. Hooray, a warm blizzard!